This is a lesson on how to play the main riff in Layla by Derek and the Dominoes, also known as Eric Clapton at times. So, we're going to begin, and the same sounding riff is in the low part and the high part. So, with your middle finger or your index, whichever one you wish, I vary at times. You know what, I'm going to use my middle this time. I'm going to go 0, hammer on 3, 3rd fret. Then D string, and you hammer on 3, pull back off. 0, 3, 0. So that's 0, 3, 0, 3. Then 3 on A, then open D. The picks I'm using, the direction I'm picking is down, 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 up. Now in that length I hit that 0, I'm moving my hand to get the power chord ready. And sorry for the ringing at times from the A string. I'm plugged in through GarageBand, still getting used to playing the electric through this. Okay, so now the power chord part will go as follows. Power chord shape, that's 5th fret on A, 7th fret on D. Hit them both at the same time. Slide it down 2 frets. So you keep the fingers pressed, and you notice my thumb has disappeared around the back of the neck for extra length. Add at the end of the riff, it sounds as follows. Then we move down here to the 1st fret on A with our power chord shape again. Lift off your index. Hit the A and D again, of course. So it goes. Finally here, get your ring finger and put it on the 3rd fret of the E string. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3. Now slide this shape up 2 frets. Lift off your index. Then index on 3rd fret of E again. Which is very similar to this one. And you go back up to that 5th fret on A power chord. That's our low version of the riff. So it goes as follows. It goes 1, 2, 3. Then we get into the high version, which is as follows. It'll go 10, 13 on B, hammer on, and then drop it a string, and this time you'll hammer it on and pull it back off. So 10, 13, 10. For this, I would recommend using your ring finger for the strength. And I'm picking down, down. Then 13 again on B, then 10 on E. That last 10 is the only upstroke I've hit so far. Now you see my hand takes a shape, thumb up at the top, 3 fingers gather on the 13th fret here of E. I bend that note up 2 frets and release it back down. And notice, if I keep all 3 fingers on it and bring it up and back down, it doesn't work too well. That's why you'll notice my index comes off at the top of the bend and it acts as a dampener, so it comes back down okay. So that could take a bit of practice too. Then 12th fret on E with our middle. Then 13 on B. 10 on E. And that's one round. 1, 2, 3. And you do that run again. Just with a slightly different ending. Bend the 15th fret on E up 2 frets. Release it back down, same method with the index. Then 12 on E, 13 on B, 15 on B. All together we get this. 1, 2, 3. And that is all the riff of Layla.